Okay, number 1, repeat. R.
R.
What's the letters?
Combination A.
Number 2. Qua.
What? Combination U.
Number 3, repeat. I.
I with a Greek. Comma.
I with a macron and
I consonant E.
I consonant E. Number 4, repeat. O.
O. Comma. O. Breathe on the O.
Okay.
Breathe
Okay, stop. What's the first one?
O with the breathe.
O with a macron and
Comma. O. Consonant.
number 5, U.
U with the
Number 6, it.
I with the
Number 7, move.
Betty T-H. Diagram T-H. Cross out T-H.
Number 8,
K, comma, C. Final.
C, K, and final K. Number 9,
C-H. Diagram C-H.
number 10, spell. These are, okay, no, they're just review words. Okay, so spell the word disc.
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 You have to use the spelling rules, and you need to do that. The sounds at the end, and therefore you need to come
What
up
is
here.
it? Disc.
Disc.
No, out.
Someone scratched the disc for the DVD.
What's happened with my brother's Phonics Simulator 19 and my Jurassic Park?
Yeah, that too. I locate some. Number 11. Shell. Shell. There was a shell on the beach. Shell.
Remember that rule? Don't make it a seashell.
Always stop.
Lost rule.
Number 12. Spark. Spark. Haley, I can repeat one. Spark. There was a spark before the fire. Flame, little thing of fire or light. Like sparklers on 4th of July they have little flames coming out.
Sparks can also be named. They're not sparkles, they're sparks.
Number 13, sight word says. I'm just going to write it down. You make sure you have your red pencil out. Number 14, push. Push.
I can't find it. I know it's not underneath sharpen. I thought you were going to write them down.
Number 15, bush. Bush. K, not a C. Number 11, shell. Sound it out.
S-H-E-L-L.
Last rule. Number 12, spark.
S-P-R-A-R-K.
Because there's a consonant before it. Okay, says is S-A-Y-S. Push. P-U-S-H. Bush. Same way, just with a B. B-U-S-H. Sentence. Okay, here we go. Oh. Okay, boys and girls. We're going to do a little something different today when we write our sentence. We're going to write a dialogue in our, or use dialogue in our sentence. Does anybody remember what dialogue is?
No.
It's when someone says something and you have to say their exact words. When you're doing dialogue, you have to put the speaker's exact words into quotation marks. Remember these?
Yeah.
Okay. So, here is your sentence. Echo it. Ready? Mom said, "Where are the napkins we left for Dad?"
Mom said, "Where are the napkins that we left for Dad?"
All right. Now, let's write this sentence on the bottom of our paper. Make sure you put quotation marks. There's also going to be a comma after Mom said. Okay? You have to put a comma after what she says and then start it. Okay, one more time. Mom said, "Where are the napkins we left for Dad?"
Mom said, "Where are the napkins that we left for Dad?"
Ready? Mom, with a capital, because it's the beginning of the sentence, said, comma, where, capital W, because when the start of what she says, it has to be a capital, and you put your quotation marks, eating where, because that is what she said. That's where when she's speaking, that's where she's starting. Okay? Where? It's W-H-E-R-E. Where are the napkins? Sound it out with me. Napkins. We left for Dad.
You can also slide your chair.
Echo these words. Table.
Table.
Stumble.
Stumble.
Oh, sorry. Bumble.
Bumble.
Stubble.
Stubble.
What do you hear at the end of all those words?
Bull.
Bull. Okay. Look at these words and see if you can tell me what is making the bull sound.
Okay, let's stay with her.
All right. What is making the bull sound, boys and girls?
B-L-E.
That's right. BLE is a final stable syllable. Why do you think we call it final, boys and girls?
It's
It's at the end. It's in the final position. Why do you think we call it stable? It is stable because it doesn't change. We can count on having the bull sound whenever we see it. BLE will be the sound that you write whenever you see it or you hear it, okay? Why do you think we call it a syllable? Hudson? Yeah, we call it a syllable because it has its own vowel sound. The strange thing about it being a syllable is the fact that we don't see the vowel that makes the sound. The vowel E that we do see doesn't make a sound, it is silent. Because E's are silent, we cross them out. So when we code these, boys and girls, you can code by crossing out the E's. Okay? That's it. Alright? Let's see. The vowel sound we hear in the final stable syllable is the schwa sound. This is the sound that you hear between the B and the L. Oh. You hear that? Okay, where else have we heard the schwa sound? What word do we hear the schwa sound in? The. Very good. Remember, when we are reading, we often hear the schwa sounds in the word the or a or instead of saying a cat, we say a cat. Okay? Let's finish coding these words. When we code final syllables, we code them in brackets.
Bracket?
Yes, this is something new. This is a bracket. Okay? So, we are going to do final stable syllables in brackets.
Oh, yeah.
Okay? Okay? Now, we also, boys and girls, accent the syllable before the final stable syllable. So it's kind of like, when we divide an accent mark.
Yeah.
Separate, this is a bracket accent mark. Okay? Bracket accent mark. Okay. Now, boys and girls, look at table. Okay? What do you think we also need a code in there? No. Not in this one.
Code the A.
The A. How do you say that?
A.
Yes. Okay, we are coding the A with a macron because it says able. Alright, so now we are done with this coding. What do we need to do in the next word? How do you code it? With a breathe. And the last one. How do you code the last one, Emma?
Breathe on the U.
Breathe on the U. Okay. Alright, boys and girls, go. Just making sure we go. Okay. I'm going to tell you the picture card. What is the new sound we heard?
BLE.
Which says
Bull.
bull. Number 1. And number 2 is able. Number 3 is fumble. And number 4 is fable. If you need more time to spell all these, just pause between the video. Number 1, able. Write it.
Number 2.
Or number 2, able. Write it. Number 3, fumble. Write it.